That's right. We're starting with the Fix-It tape. This is an all-purpose repair tape. It is silicone, non-adhesive, 10 feet in each roll. We've got 6 rolls, and this is how it comes, Danny, just like this in an envelope.
All right, how much does all this cost with shipping and handling and all that?
$19.95, $5.95 shipping and handling. You're talking about almost $26 for 6 rolls, 60 feet. That's a little over 43 cents for every foot you use.
Well, if it saves you a lot of repair costs, it's good, but initially, though, that's pretty expensive for a few rolls of tape.
It's a little expensive to me, I think so. But here's another thing. Now, this is it. This is all you get with it. If you were going to do directions, Danny, that's what you've got.
Wow, you don't have to spend a lot of time reading directions, do you?
You actually have to go to their website to find the more precise directions. Basically, what they're telling me is that the more you stretch it, the better the bond.
I got you. Okay.
That needs to be on this right here.
Right.
It also says that it will stretch out over 3 times its length.
Okay.
I thought we'd try that first. If you want to cut about a foot of this, let's see if we can get it past 3.
That's not. I'm going to hold it here. Let's see what happens.
See how well you can hold that. Stretch. Oh yeah, look here.
Oh,
way
okay.
past 3 feet.
All right. Well, that's one claim that's true.
Very good.
All right, now, will it repair anything?
Let's try it. We've got a garden hose here that's got a bit of a slit in it.
All right, well, let me cut you a little piece of this. How long you think, 6 inches?
Oh, 6 should do it.
Okay.
There's our slit right there.
Okay, so we'll stretch this.
Okay.
Then, all right. Here, you hold it.
Wait a minute.
And let me turn it on here.
Put down
Okay,
here.
you ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Whoa, no.
Oh, didn't work out.
Didn't work out.
What happened?
Look
So
at
it just
that.
blew the side of it
through
out.
that, yeah.
Oh,
So I'm
okay.
not real impressed with the water leak.
Well, maybe we should use more of it and everything.
Yeah. How about a vacuum hose? We just had a slit in this one, which I've already put some of the tape on. What I thought we'd do, Danny, is a little tissue paper.
Oh, I see. Okay, and you're gonna cut. Okay,
I'll
I got
cover
you.
this in, and if that's still leaking, it should hold the tissue paper to it.
All right. Well, I know what to do next.
Okay.
Okay.
So air leak, looks like it's pretty good.
Well, maybe on something like that, if you wrapped it up a little bit more, used a little bit more of the, you got plenty of tape, used a little bit
At
more
43 cents a foot.
Right.
got it.
Well, okay, it wouldn't be long before you could buy a new hose.
Well, that's true.
So because the Fix-It tape is expensive, the directions are weak, if not incomplete, and it was only moderately effective, we're giving it a 2 out of 5 rating.